How to activate your Chase debit card. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up the Chase application or visit any browser. In the search bar, search for chase.com, and just like that, visit their official page. Inside here, tap on sign in, and then you need to go ahead and simply enter your username and password. And just like that, you want to go ahead and tap on sign in. If in case you forgot your password, you can simply tap onto it right over here and recover it. After that, you want to go ahead and select your debit card and look for the activate card option. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the activation process. You can even activate the Chase debit card by using it at a Chase ATM. Simply insert the card, enter your PIN, and follow the prompt. In many cases, your card will be activated automatically after a successful transaction. After activation, your debit card is ready to use for purchases, ATM withdrawals, and other banking transactions. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.